everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost on CapCut PC. So you're just going to grab your audio right here, and then you're going to go and copy and paste that, and then you're going to go to voice changer, and you are going to select the where is it, the megaphone one, and you're going to apply it. Just adjust the strength. You don't want too much. I can't play the audio unfortunately, but I'm just going to copy and paste it again. If you really want to make it bass boosted and loud, you can just grab the volume and make it super loud here on the two audios that there is. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You can also do it here as well. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.